Hi guys! Pepper steak stir fry is a quick and easy tasty dish that tastes just like takeout. It's perfect for a weeknight meal. It's thinly sliced steak cooked with bell peppers and onions in a savory sauce. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of steak sliced thin against the grain, 2 bell peppers cut into cubes, 1 small onion cut into cubes, 3 garlic cloves minced, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Begin by sprinkling some pepper over the steak. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, and 1.5 tablespoons of water. Mix until well combined. Heat oil over high heat and cook steak in 2 batches. Cook until browned. This will take about 3 minutes per batch. For this recipe, you could use skirt steak or flank steak. Today I'm using skirt steak because that's what I had on hand. Plus, it's really tender when you slice it thin against the grain. Remove steak and set aside. Add more oil to the pan and sauté bell peppers, onions, and garlic. Cook until slightly softened. You want the veggies to still have a slight crisp to it when it's done cooking. This will take about 2 minutes. Return the steak back to the pan along with the soy sauce mixture. Continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. You want the sauce to thicken and the steak and veggies to be well coated. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Okay, you guys saw how fast and easy it was to cook up this dish, and it tastes just like or even better than takeout. And it's also kid approved. My son said he wanted to add it to his list of favorites. You got tender steak cooked with crisp veggies and that yummy, delicious sauce.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes and make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.